Start using Pixversa version 3. Click the Try Pixversa button. Sign in with your account or create a new account. In the Home section, you can see some examples made with this AI tool. Click on any one you want and see the prompt and details that this video made with them. You have various options like extend the video, lip sync, and more. Go to Create section to create your video. You can create video with text or image. Write your text prompt and upload your image here. You can switch models. Currently, version 3 is the latest model. We have some effect options. Keep the mouse on each one to see preview of them. You need an image to apply this effect on it. Here are some examples. Choose one of them or upload your own image. I will test with this image. When you select an effect, the prompt is automatically added. Press the Create button and the result will be like this. You can switch styles. If you don't select any style, the default will be realistic. See the difference between them and choose proper style based on your use. With the previous details, if I choose the anime style, the result will be like this. For video duration, we have two options. 5 seconds consumes 30 credits, and 8 seconds consumes 60 credits. You can change the quality. HD consume 30 credits and SD consume 15 credits. Choose HD for better quality. When using image, upload high-quality image to ensure video quality. For motion mode, normal mode consumes 30 credits. In performance mode, the subject's movement is more dynamic, which will consume 60 credits. We have more options. Here, you can add negative prompt and change seed number. Here you can add a special character and use it in your video. In version 2.5, we have option for using camera movement. In this version, when uploading an image, you can see the magic brush option. You can draw arrows and animate your image the way you want. For more information, go to my channel and watch this video. Use keywords like text design or words to create a video contain text design. To create black and white videos, you can use these words in your prompt. According to the Pixversa version 3 user guide, use this formula to ensure that version 3 can accurately understand and deliver your prompt. Describe your scene and the character in your prompt, and add all details that you want to see. To extend the video and increase the duration of the video, press Extend button. You can see last frame of your video. Add text prompt to continue your video. Press Create button and wait. The duration of the new video is 10 seconds, and you can extend it again. Here, you can upscale your video to 4K. Press the lip sync button. Add the script here, which can be 200 characters, and then choose a voice, or you can upload audio. You can upload MP3 or WAV files with a maximum duration of 30 seconds. Use any text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs and create audio for your script. I use this file. Try Pixversa version. Based on the duration of the sound, it consumes 45 credits. The final video length depends on the text or audio length, with a maximum of 30 seconds. For example, if your video is 10 seconds and your audio is 5 seconds, the result will be a 5 seconds video with voice synchronization. Try Pixversa version 3 and let me know what you think about this tool.
so tall.